Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arce. Welcome to be the Ultimate Gardener. Come join me in becoming an Ultimate Gardener day by day. So in today's exciting sprouting video, I want to give you guys a dedicated video on zucchini. Zucchini is one of the most easiest vegetables to grow, and I always recommend it for beginner gardeners, but there is a few things you need to learn when it comes to growing zucchini. So let's go ahead and just jump right into this video. So coming into our first topic is how I started my zucchini plant. So all zucchini and all types of squash are the easiest vegetables to grow from seed in my opinion. And so there's not a lot of things when it comes to starting them from seed, but there is a few things. So number one is you cannot grow them in any type of cheap soil, any type of seed, because cheap soil will firm up very fast and it will make your seedlings struggle. So you can get healthy, sturdy seedlings. You need to go ahead and choose a great growing medium, whether that be Miracle Grow, which is my preferable choice. Although it's a little bit more pricey, it makes your plants get healthier and sturdier and make your seedlings way more better than if you used any type of cheap soil. So make sure you use a good growing medium. Number two is that I use the Microdrying Premium Ultra Concentrated Micro-Ice Complex. This is from PetraTools, as well as all the products I'm showcasing today. All their product links are down below for you guys to check out their website, their media links, and a discount code for you guys to go ahead and use for 10% off your entire order, so you can save some money when you purchase from them. This will speed up the germination process. If you don't have this in hand, although I highly recommend it, use any type of rooting hormone you have in hand to speed up the germination rate, and this will also allow your roots to be more healthier and start establishing into the new home once the seedling or the seed germinates. So that's how to start your zucchini plant. So next is how I kept my zucchini safe from powdery mildew or anything in that area. Powdery mildew is some type of pest that comes around and completely destroys your squash plants. It targets squash a lot. And so here's two options you could use. Number one, you could go ahead and use a water and milk based solution, which works just fine, which has been proven by multiple gardeners out there. And so you could go ahead and look up how to do that solution, but I know milk is a good element to combat that. Or you could use neem oil if you have in hand. Just spray for 3 days straight. Make sure the plant is completely dry, no rain on the forecast, no humidity, no nothing, so the actual product is actually starting to go ahead and do effect. Or like I use the Crop Defender from PetraTools. This is a fungicide and insecticide that works great for these things. Once again, product link down below for you guys to check out. This works miracles. So if you have the chance, go ahead and purchase this from them. Amazing product, and I've tried this on black mold. I've tried this in powdery mildew on aphids, and this does the job wonderful. And I apply this using the PetraTools Mini Fogger. This is an amazing tool to go ahead and use. It does great coverage. There's a blue light so you can see what you have covered, and it's just an amazing. There's 3 settings, low, medium, and high, on how much it dispenses. So this is a great product to use as well. Product link down below for you guys to check out as well. So that's what I did to go ahead and keep my plant safe from powdery mildew. Next is how I fertilize it. I use liquid fertilizers because liquid fertilizers are way more easier in my opinion, because they're way more powerful and they're able to access the plant way more easier, and the plant can suck it up, everything they need, more faster than if you use a slow release granule fertilizer, especially with vegetables and any type of fruiting plant. When it comes to these types of plants that actually give produce, I always recommend going organic, because organic will allow your plants to become greener, will go ahead and release nitrogen back into the soil, and all of that good stuff will allow your plants to get healthier and better. But I do use the worm tea concentrate, which is an organic product from PetraTools. This is like worm tea castings or worm tea from Bare Monstera, which is another great product you can use, but this one's amazing as well. So this is a great product you could go ahead and use. Product link down below, or any type of trustable organic worm castings or worm casting tea you have on hand. But if you don't have any liquid fertilizer, you could go ahead and use either compost from the garden or a slow release granule fertilizer that targets specifically vegetables. So that's how I fertilize my zucchini plants, and I actually fertilize them liquid wise, one time every month because I don't really stay on top of fertilizing that much, but it tends to be doing great. With granule, you apply it every 2 to 3 months. So that's how, once again, I go ahead and I fertilize my zucchini plants. So those are the easy points on growing zucchini, and that's the entire video. An overall video on how to grow zucchini. Super easy to do, and I highly recommend it for the average home gardener and a beginner gardener as well. So thank you all so much for watching this video. Hopefully you learned something new. If you did, please leave a like down below. And while you're down there, please consider subscribing to show the Ultimate Gardening channel a little bit of support. And please leave me any comments down below on what you thought of this video and any video suggestions you want, and I'll gladly do them. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.